Hi, Craig. Our developer went ahead and added the ability to pick and choose who gets to see the purchase order option. So to control that, people can obviously just self-register, and all they have to do is fill out a few fields to do that, and that allows them to see pricing and to go ahead and purchase items using a credit card. Once they're registered, if you want to allow them access to the PO option, or in essence to pay on credit, come right down here to the users tab. You'll see a list of everyone. Obviously, as you get more and more people, this list is going to get quite long and it will run to multiple pages. You can search for a customer right up here using this search tool, which works really, really well. You can search using their email, or their name, or their username, although I'm assuming it'll probably be their email or their name you search by. Once you find the person that you want, you can see what their roles are over here. Just like with the products, it's much like editing a product. We'll come to Connie here, who currently is just a regular customer. Click on her. And you can see right down here where it says role, there's a lot of options here. Really the only one you need to worry about is customer or PO customer. As soon as you sign them to the PO customer role and then hit update user, then when they go to the cart, they will see that option. I'm not going to go ahead and change this Connie person because I don't know who she is, and if you want that to allow that, but yeah, that's all there is to it. Just put it right there on PO customer, and then you'd come to the bottom and hit update user, and then when they go to the cart, they're going to have that purchase order option so that they don't have to actually pay in advance of placing the order. That is all there is to it. Thanks.